What's Mark up to today? Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one today. Out here with the Winchester Jeep Club, and we're going to Peter's Mill. We got 18 Jeeps going, man. Yes! Really nice trip. Thank you, Travis, for putting this on, man. I appreciate it. I know we all appreciate it. Everybody's been jonesing to get out here and, get some wheeling going. It's not the hardest core wheeling, but it is definitely fun, man. Definitely fun. Making it look easy. Yeah, nobody was taking that line.
Yeah.
Ooh, a bonus. You need a bonus. Yeah, we're gonna run Tasker's Gap. It's a quick little in and out, but it should be a fun one. Yeah, so that's kind of going to be a wrap here. We are nearing the end. It's been a beautiful day. Sunny, nice weather. Perfect. Thanks, Travis, for putting this on. Excellent job with Winchester Jeep Club. Fantastic day. I'm smiling from ear to ear coming down this mountain. So you hear them. All right, so I'll put a link to something. Click the link. It'll be my Amazon affiliate account. Go do it. If you're not subscribed here, like, share, subscribe, that whole 9 yards. Everybody tells you to do. And then click the next video that's going to show up like right here or there. Maybe it's there or there. I don't know. All right, we will catch you.